So before working on any machine, please refer to your operator or owner's manual for further safety instructions.
Hello, this is Derek with Weingartz, and today we're going over the John Deere Z700 series zero-turn mower operations. First, before starting the mower, we want to go over a few visual checks. Right here, conveniently located in the front here, is a gas gauge, so you can check to see if you need to add fresh fuel. Next, we want to check the oil level and add oil if low. Next, we want to check all 4 tires for proper air pressure and make sure we have no flat tires. Also, be sure to clean any debris from the mower deck and check the blades for any damage or extreme wear. Before starting the mower, let's go over a few safety tips. Always be sure to have proper ear and eye protection. There are never any passengers allowed. Always be cautious on hills and avoid steep inclines. Always be aware of your surroundings. And always make sure to turn the mower blades off before getting off the mower. Now let's go over some basic operations. The control levers in the outward position like this engages the parking brake. In order to start the mower, the control levers must be in the outward position. Each control lever powers each individual wheel. So if I were to push this left control lever outward, that's going to power that left wheel to start to turn, which is going to turn me to the right. And same with the right control lever. If I push this right control lever outward, that's going to push this right wheel forward, and I'm going to turn to the left. If you want to make a nice even straight line, you want to push both levers outward evenly. This also determines how fast you go by how far out you push the control levers. To move backwards at an even line, you want to pull both levers evenly towards you. Now to make a nice smooth turn, you don't want to make any fast movements to where you're turning this wheel backwards while turning that wheel forwards. That's going to tear up your lawn. What you want to do to turn to the left, you want to slightly push out that left control lever while pushing out the right control lever more to where that wheel is engaging a little bit faster, and you're going to make a nice controlled turn to the left. Now we want to set the mower deck to the height we wish to cut at. First, you want to push in the foot pedal assist to lift the mower deck all the way up and lock it into the transport height. Now you can change the spindle to the height the cut you wish to cut at, and then push that foot pedal assist back in and lift up on the deck lock to unlock the mower deck to drop it down to the height of cut we wish to cut at. Now we're ready to start the mower. Be sure that the control levers are in the outward parked position. The yellow PTO switch is in the off position. Now you can lift up to engage the choke and set the throttle to about the midway halfway point. Now you can turn the key until the mower starts. Once the mower is started, you want to slowly release that choke lever out of the choke position. To engage the blades, you want to fully engage the throttle and then push in that yellow PTO switch. Once again, the control levers. Once you bring them inward, you're now in the neutral position and the mower can start to roll. To move forward at a straight even line, you want to push both levers outward evenly, and that controls how fast or slow you go based on how far out you push the control levers. Same thing moving backwards. If you want to go backwards at an even line, you want to pull both levers backwards towards you. Again, to take a turn to the left, you want to push that right lever outward. And then to turn back to the right, you want to push this left control lever outward. Once you have completed mowing, make sure to put those control levers into the outward position, the park position, throttle the mower down, and turn the key off. Thank you for watching. We offer the John Deere equipment at our Utica and Farmington Hills store locations. If you have any questions, please feel free to stop by any of our store locations or visit our website at www.weingartz.com. Thanks and have a great day.